but I didn't have a Traxa, and she was the one I wanted because I love ink. So. One pack magic right there, brother. VIP Masters.
Yes, sir.
One pack magic.
We will see. It's nerve-wracking opening things like this, man. Cause it's gonna be really good, or just like, oh, okay.
A lot of the front cards have a lot of value in that stuff.
Yep.
A lot of the commons will pull 4 or 5 bucks.
Let's see.
All right, share with the world. You're getting there.
There we go.
You're getting there. What are you getting?
Expedition
I got
Map.
Expedition.
That's a good one.
Sword of Fire, nice.
Sick,
Oh, that's a
too.
good one.
That's sick. Yes,
That's a good
Fire
one.
and Ice is real good.
That's really nice.
Those are so fun, dude.
Fire and Ice is beautiful.
Yes, sir.
You got Dursteel Paladin.
I did, yeah. It was a good pack.
It was a good pack.